Hi, I'm Deborah from South Essex Slings. I'm going to show you how to use the Tula half buckle carrier with an older child, spreading the straps over their bottom. So, put my waistband on wherever baby's bottom's going to go. So I've got a bigger child and I still want their head to be nice and high, so their bottom's going to be down here somewhere, so that's where my waistband goes. I've adjusted the panel of the carrier to its widest setting, and I've loosened the straps at the top of the panel to their longest, so the carrier's in its biggest setting at the moment. Then I'll get my baby. My real baby's asleep, hence the doll. So, supporting baby on your front centrally, the bottom into the panel of the carrier. Guide the fabric up smoothly over their back and pop the shoulder straps over your shoulders. Then, keeping one hand on baby, you'll reach behind you. The strap on the opposite shoulder, pull it down towards your bottom nice and tight, and then round to the front. And you can come over baby's leg. You can spread the fabric of the straps out over baby's bottom, and then come under the leg on the opposite side. I'll trap that strap between my legs, reach for the strap on the opposite shoulder and do the same thing. I'll come down nice and tight, round to the front, spread my strap out over baby's leg, spread out the fabric over baby's bottom, and then come underneath the opposite leg, and we'll tie those two in a double knot behind me. Baby's airways clear and visible, and baby is held tight enough. If I lean forward, baby's body does not pull away from me, so we know we're safe. Baby's got smooth fabric over their back. They're supported from knee to knee in the panel. They've got a nice pelvic tilt with their knees up higher than their bottom. I'm nice and comfortable. I've got the shoulder straps in my shoulders and not on my neck. I've got the cross nice and low on my back. Everything is good. To get out, undo my double knot on my back, keeping one hand on baby. Remove the straps, pop baby down, and then you can take your waistband off.